chat. It looks like Nanpire's calling. Hi, Nan.
Hello, my little screamkins. How are you doing, V?
Great, Nanpire. How are you?
Oh, everything is just spooktacular here in Transylvania. I was just finishing up something special to send for that adorable pup of yours. How is little Wolfie doing in his new home?
He's great, Nan. Here's Wolfie saying hi. Everyone in Pennsylvania thinks he's so adorable, especially Poppy and Bridget. He's so cute. But you won't believe this, Nan. He actually got into some milk.
Oh, dear!
Yep, Nan. He turned into Werewolfie. And I don't think people in Pennsylvania are quite ready for that. But my friends did think his howl was pretty cool. Want to hear us howl like Wolfie? Ow!
That's a good howl indeed. Well, then it's good the surprise I'm sending is moon dust for Wolfie.
Oh, yes, Nan, that is good. That always turns him back to Wolfie size.
I was also preparing some goulash for Penelope. How is my favorite pet plant doing?
She's spooktacular, Nan. And you know Penelope sure loves to eat everything, like Yeti spaghetti, fried ghoul green tomato souffle, oatmeal raisin cookies. Well, everything except for Mama's monster mashed potato pie. But it was Mama's first time trying to make it.
Well, I'd better send along some soup to Penelope soon, so she has even more to eat. I'll dial up the Black Cat Express right away.
Thanks, Nan. Let's bat chat again soon.
That sounds like a plan, my little spider. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Tap or click for more Disney Junior clips.